Hey guys, today we're going to talk about DoorDash and Caviar. All right, so we already know that Caviar is no longer exists. It actually joined DoorDash. So that's what we're going to talk about today. All right, cool. So like we said, Caviar, that was back then. That was back then where I used to work. I didn't tell you guys, but I mean, I did a couple of Caviar deliveries. It was pretty cool. It's what it says. Get food you want. Same thing as DoorDash, same thing as Grubhub, same thing as Uber Eats, any delivery service. So what it is, it's a platform that actually gets you food delivered to your own house, right? So now, like I said, many of you guys know DoorDash and many of you guys know Caviar. Caviar actually sold the company to merge into DoorDash, right? So whoever used to work, whoever used to order from Caviar, now is working and ordering from DoorDash, right? So that's what it is. Caviar was great for me. It was a great experience. Let me tell you a little bit about it. It was usually in Los Angeles. Usually all the deliveries were in Echo Park and Silver Lake, right? So pretty much everything you actually ordered was only based on in that area. Now DoorDash is usually around, it's all Los Angeles, right? But same thing goes, same food you get delivered, same type of order, same type of delivery time. You order real quick, it gets there like in a couple of minutes, less than 15 minutes for sure. And DoorDash seems to be like more all over the map. The only thing is, as a working experience, many people do not like DoorDash, right? Now, it's all the same thing. You could order from local restaurants. As we see right here, this is the DoorDash menu, DoorDash website. You enter your delivery address and you find from any type of store, right? Restaurant or store. So Caviar, well, as a working experience for Caviar, it was no ratings. So that means if a customer scored you low, that wouldn't even count. So you couldn't even get deactivated unless you actually screwed up while working, right? So that's one of the advantages. Now with DoorDash, you actually need a red card to actually purchase food instead of just going to the store and picking up. Although you can actually do that with DoorDash, you could just pick up the food without using a red card, but on some deliveries, they do ask you to pay with your card, right? So they supply you a red card, which is like a debit card, and you actually pay with that. I haven't used that yet. I just started, and so far, it's pretty good. I'll make a review later, but I mean, so far, it's not that bad. It's almost the same thing as Caviar with the rating exception, right? So, I mean, there's a risk that if you don't deliver it on time, you take too long, your order is messed up, and you're not satisfied with the customer, they will actually give you a bad rating and they can even deactivate you, right? So it's always bad. With the exception of the rating, right? So they could deactivate you if you if you don't deliver on time, if the delivery is messed up, so the food is all over the place. Like you've seen many reviews, they throw in even trash in the food, which is very bad, or the food's all tossed up, right? Even if it's cold, if the customer is unsatisfied, they'll give you a bad rating and they'll probably most likely deactivate you, right? So that's the bad thing about it. It's real bad. Caviar wasn't like that. Caviar, you just deliver it, no rating involved, and you leave home happy, right? Same pay service. But now it's all meshed up. Caviar is DoorDash. See how it goes. Hopefully it's not that bad. We're excited about it. The payout seems to be almost the same. Caviar did have those incentives, and so does DoorDash. So that means an extra $1 or so, up to like $4 per delivery, right? So hopefully it's good. Plus, if you deliver a couple of deliveries on time, it's even better, right? They give you more incentives, which means more cash. Let's say if you do let's say for the beginning, you refer friends, you get up to $1,400 per friend for only about, I think it's 260 deliveries, right? Within 60 days, which is great. I just did like 10 today. I'll probably do 10 tomorrow, and pretty soon I'll be able to finish it. Again, it's 60 days for 260 deliveries, and it's worth $1,400, right? So please check out the link below. I'll put it in the description. Hopefully you can sign up, you can get started. Again, it's just delivery from house, no contact delivery, so you just deliver it right there at the door, or they even come down from the building to actually accept the order, right? It's real easy, real fast. Just takes a while as soon as they prepare it, but I mean, if you sign up, you make me money, and guess what? Since it's $4,400, if you complete the deliveries, then I'll give you half of it. So I'll give you $700, right? I'll keep $700, and I'll give you $700 for completing it. So guess what? If you complete that, you get $700 plus whatever DoorDash offers you as an extra incentive. All right, thanks guys. Subscribe, check it out. I got many more offers. Look at my videos. Again, check the link below in the description. I'll have a link for DoorDash. If you guys want to sign up and start delivering for DoorDash, please click the link and sign up. I'll get $1,400 if you complete 260 deliveries within 60 days, right? And that's also for you guys. So every new user, every new delivery driver that you guys refer to, you guys get referred to work for DoorDash, you guys get $1,400, right, for each person. Now I'm making a special offer to you guys, since you guys watching my video and you guys both will sign up under my link. So I'll refer you as a new delivery driver. I'll get $1,400 and I'll give you $700 off of that, right? So if you guys complete 260 deliveries within 60 days, I'll give you $700 off of what I get. All right, so you help me and I help you. We both get started and both make money, right? I mean, it's not that much. I completed 10 deliveries today, and tomorrow I'm pretty sure I'll make 10 deliveries more, and within probably in a month I'll for sure have that completed that, right? So if you guys could do me that favor, sign up, subscribe first, check out all my videos, and do sign up with my link so you guys get money. I can get money too. All right, thanks.